How to delete your Grindr account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can permanently delete your Grindr account. So to do that, first of all, open the Grindr app on your mobile device. And once you've opened the app, simply make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. Now you will be taken to this page where you can see the option settings on the bottom left corner. Simply tap on it. Now you will be taken to the settings page where under the accounts tab you can see 5 different options. Tap on the fourth one, which is deactivate. And now you will be taken to this page where on the bottom side, if you look closely, you can see the option delete account. Simply tap on it. Now it will ask you why you want to delete your account. So simply choose any one of these options and then it will ask you to back up your account. So if you want, you can simply back up your account data, but if you don't, you can simply tap on the option no thanks. And it will ask you whether you want to delete your account or log out. So since we are here to delete our account, we'll tap on the option delete. And now you'll have to verify your email in order to delete your account. So simply enter your email address over here. After that, tap on the option delete profile. And now a pop-up will appear where it will say delete account. Simply tap on it. And there you have it. That is basically how you delete your Grindr account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.